This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Elizabeth Patterson. Enjoy beautiful panoramic views of the Indian River from this 7th floor condo in exclusive Island Point. You'll love the huge gourmet kitchen with walk-in pantry, rolling island and breakfast bar. There's plenty of room to spread out in 2,275 square feet of luxury with 3 large bedrooms, 2 baths, plus a huge balcony overlooking the river. An extra foot of ceiling height makes this condo stand out from the lower floors. This gated community has 2 swimming pools, a spa, tennis and amp, basketball courts, exercise room, sauna and clubhouse. 1-year lease. Available for occupancy no earlier than April 4, 2022. For more information, review the details below or contact Elizabeth Patterson at 321-777-6174.